Hey guys, today I'm here to show you some beautiful picture of flower pots. Look at these beautiful pictures of pots. So guys, I'll give you some amazing and beautiful ideas for your garden. So you can decor your garden like this. Look at these color combination, beautiful each and everything. I'll give you some beautiful and fresh pot pictures. So guys, you can decor your garden with this amazing ideas. Check the flowers. Look at beautiful basket style. Amazing pots. So guys, you can decor your garden with these pots. Amazing style. Beautiful pictures of garden. Beautiful, beautiful style. Amazing pictures, amazing color combination. Look at this style. Amazing picture of garden, amazing picture of pots. Beautiful pictures. Look at color combination, flowers, very colorful flower containers. Look at these beautiful container. So guys, I'll give you some beautiful ideas so you can decor your garden with these ideas. Beautiful pictures, amazing concept, beautiful corner pot. So guys, you can adopt these ideas.